Verbal on life.
All right, so this is an amazing story. I really got to give props to Elon Musk, which a lot of people hate. But let me know how you feel after watching this story. Let's take a look.
And guys, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do that. Click on that like button, smash that share button as well. We appreciate you.
Elon Musk's brain implant company Neuralink said on Thursday it had been given a green light from the US FDA to kickstart its first-in-human clinical study. It's a critical milestone for Neuralink after earlier struggles to gain approval.
We're confident that it is possible to restore full-body functionality.
On at least 4 occasions since 2019, Musk has said his medical device company would begin human trials for a brain implant to treat severe conditions such as paralysis and blindness. Yet the company only sought Food and Drug Administration approval in early 2022, and the agency rejected the application, sources linked to the company told Reuters in March. The sources said the FDA had pointed out several concerns to Neuralink that needed to be addressed before sanctioning human trials. They include the device's battery, as well as safety issues surrounding its wires.
Now, let me just say this. This is scary. For a lot of people, this is super scary. But what are your thoughts on this, Jay?
I mean, honestly, it's tough because it makes you wonder, are they going to be able to control you? Are they going to be able to control your actions? Are they, how far does it really go? Because if it's exclusively going to use to help people, let's say
on November
paraplegic and they're going to help you walk, I'm all for it. If they're going to help you be able to see, I'm all for it. But how much control are they going to have over you, or are they going to have any control over your actions with that, implant in your brain?
So this is my understanding that, hold on, you're going to be able to control functions that do not work in your body, like paraplegic people who are having trouble moving their arms, their legs. These are really people that need some help, and there's no medical solution to their problem. So this hopefully is going to get the nerve to shoot from the brain to the rest of their body. Yes.
But what if it can also be used to control your actions? For example, you have a parking ticket. They're going to control your ass to walk your ass to the goddamn police station or to the courtroom. You're like, oh, where am I going? Ooh. Being taken over there like a puppet and shit.
Since you mentioned that, a lot of celebrities are also having the same problem. Let me show you a small clip.
I love the aspect of the AI and the machines taking over. We have cars that drive themselves, and that's a convenience right now, but soon there won't be a steering wheel, and it'll take you to the police station when you have outstanding parking tickets, and, it'll be like that. So we've got a lot to look forward to.
So
you already know one of these days, you're going to jump in your Tesla, that shit going to take you to the courtroom to pay some unpaid tickets.
Not only that, but Neil deGrasse, he's very respected, but he does not believe in Elon Musk or anything that Elon Musk is doing. He's a really Elon hater. Let's listen to what he got to say.
So I suspect that this Neuralink, where you're saying, let me connect my brain neurologically to the internet, is that really much better than me pulling out my smartphone and typing? I guess it's faster. Okay, so you'll do it in a matter of seconds, and I'll take me 20 seconds. You'll do it in 3 seconds. I have the 17 seconds. I could do that without USB plugging this into the base of my neck.
Yo, that's the number one Elon Musk hater right there. This man does not support anything Elon Musk does. I really, really do not like the guy for no reason. And look, I'll share this much with the viewers. I got diagnosed with one of those neurological conditions where, the doctor sits you down or sat me down and said, look, you're not going to be able to walk, move your arms, move your fingers. Little by little, you're going to lose all functionality until you're bedridden. So I'm thinking this chip, thank God, is being sent. I already signed up for the tryout because if I want to lose my neurological senses, and when I see people walking, that's like amazing. Like you could walk, that's insane. So in my opinion, I need something. I need a chip. to tell my legs to move, because like in another 5 years, I don't see myself walking. So to me, this is the best thing created or sent by God. But what's your take, Jake?
I mean, seems like a very good idea behind it. However, we're talking about they just got approved for trials, right? And then there's a certain amount of years in trials before it's actually get approved to be, sold and whatever. So how many years away are we from actually? Is there a guesstimate at least to how many years away are they from having it in production?
Yeah, so right now being approved for human trial, that means that they could try it out on human beings. So figure another 2 to 3 years before it gets sent out to like the clinic and people could buy it and things like that. Elon Musk does everything on a rush. So I'm gonna say my assumption is 5 years, just to be on the safe side. But it's an assumption, you know what I mean? 5 years, I see him making it available for regular people to use.
So you think they're going to be successful?
I think we will be successful. It's the only hope we got, or that I got, that I will be walking, because Dr. Ray told me we got 5 years. So
let me ask you a question. How about if there's some cutting edge technology which allows them to come up with some type of pill, some type of medicine that it may not rewind whatever process you've been through, but it won't fast forward it. It'll freeze it to where it won't keep progressing.
But you know what? It's all hope. So yeah, if they come up with a pill, which I don't see it happening, I do see this Neuralink chip happening. I do believe in Elon Musk. I'm an Elon fan. I'm just gonna say that much. So I do expect the chip to be available for people to use.
So you already signed up for your chip?
Yes, if you want to try it out on my brain, give me the phone call. So that's what's on the news right now. So write down, is it a positive thing that Elon Musk is coming up with a chip, with a computer chip for your brain?
I want to know, if you're watching, would you allow them to put a chip in your brain? Would you allow that?
That's a very good question. Will you be okay with a chip in your brain? I don't see normal people who are just fine putting a chip in their brain, but please, I would love to call my car with my brain. Play video games for days with my brain, not having to touch the controller.
I mean, listen, if it's up to me, I could just send my car to go Uber and come back, later tonight.
Hey, that's one of the ideas that Elon Musk is developing. Self-driving cars, a chip in your brain, a rocket to Mars. This man is everywhere. Let's see, ChatGPT. Elon Musk did ChatGPT. Did you know that? That's crazy.
If he wasn't such a goofball, I'd be a fan as well. But he say too much crazy stuff and does too much crazy stuff. He looked like a psycho in that rave, dancing like an idiot. What the fuck was he doing?
Yo, God bless the God Elon Musk. Remember, we do this show every day, Monday through Friday at 5:30. So please come and join us. Any words you want to say to Nate Dogg, Jake?
Yeah. So Nate Dawes, we're gonna see you next Monday at 5:30. And to everybody here that loves to hear it, I gotta say it for you guys. Fuck no filter. Let's get the fuck out of here.
All right, and that's gonna be the end of our show.
Peace out, fellas, ladies and gentlemen.
Verbal on life.